It's made a heap of difference to my business. I probably signed up about 4 years ago, and I've found that it's made my business a lot more profitable. It's picked up on a lot of bits and pieces that I was missing out on, especially some of the small stuff. I found that in the actual overheads, what used to be called P&G, it's been really good that I've found that there's a lot of bits and pieces that you often missing out, and now you're actually picking them all up, which is great. Saving heaps of time. Probably I used to spend about 12 hours pricing a new house. Now it's probably about an hour and a half, and there's actually some new components that have actually just come onto Building Price, which actually will probably reduce it right down to about half an hour's work on there. I feel a lot more confident with my pricing now because I can actually see on the screen. I'm happy that we've picked up all the bits and pieces that we need to. It's quite easy to actually up the rating if you feel that there's on a particular job. You can put your percentages up or down because you think there's more manual labour because it's a difficult site. So yeah, I'm a lot happier that when I've got to a final price that that's going to be a good price for the job. Yeah, I find it great. When I initially go and talk to the customers about building a house, say, or doing a major renovation for them, I tell them that I won't be able to give them any price until we've actually sent it off to the quantity surveyor. Once that's been done, and then the builder price have actually loaded onto the system, we'll actually put on all our sub-trades and material costs. And then I'll actually go back to the customers with my price, and I'll actually take the screen and on my tablet, and I show them the builder price, and I show them exactly how we've actually priced the whole job, from the labour to the materials to the sub-trades, and then I'll show them all the margins that we've actually put in there, so you're making it really clear to the customer that what you're actually charging them and why you're charging them. I find it definitely the advantage is that you've told them that what you're charging and why you're charging these margins. If they're not really happy with that, maybe you shouldn't really be building with them. Yeah, I mean, we've only recently started on the Back Costa, but I can already see that the advantages with the guys actually using the apps on their phone to actually do the timesheets means it comes back onto my PC, so I can keep in track on what's going on. The advantage with the Back Costa is actually loading all your sub-trades and your costs of your materials once they've come in, to just check that they've actually line up with what you've quoted for in the first place, so you can actually keep an eye on and track on the job right to a daily basis if you want to. I see that's a great advantage.